planting plants. एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड आहा ग्रीनरी स्प्रेड करपाक आनी एक मेसेज आहा आमच्या लोकांक की ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग आनी ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंगाचें फायट करपाक आमकां ट्रीज प्लांट करचे पडटले आनी हे ट्रीज आमकां ब्युटिफाय करतले आमची प्लेस टू मेक इट लूक बेटर मोर अपिलींग टू टुरिस्ट एज अ टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन. अशेंच आमचे सगळे तीनूय पंचायत, चारूय पंचायत, आरपोरा, नागवा, कलंगूट, कांदोलीम आणि पर्रा मेळून सगळ्यांनी मेळून अशीच मोहीम करची.
Until and unless plastic bags are not banned in Goa, this garbage will only generate more and more. आयज coastal beltak आमका garbage treatment plant हा, but दुसऱ्या सातेर ना. So you can see plastic everywhere. You go to Mapsa market, it is full of plastic. जे plastic waste पडलेला हा. आणि हे जोतर आमी क्लीन गोवा, ग्रीन गोवा स्वप्न जे आमी उलयतात, it is a dream which will come true only when we ban plastic. Chief Ministeran date दिल्ली 30th of May. I don't know why it is so far away. We can just say within 1 month we can ban plastic. And few people will get angry for 8-10 days. Then they'll slowly start carrying the jute bag, the cotton bag in the market to buy fruits, vegetables, fish, chicken, meat, whatever they want. They have to carry their own bags from their house.